Hey guys, how's it going? I want to do a real quick video on this. There's something I didn't do earlier to get my system back to working correctly. Make sure you click Stop Farming in your corepool app, or if you can't, make sure you rename your config.yaml to config.yaml. I didn't really do this. I did reset everything. I unplugged it all and plugged it all back in, and that got me back to farming. But I think you do need to change this because this config bak.yaml is what tells everything that they need to pay the pool first, and this config.yaml tells them that they need to pay you. So you need to make sure you're on the right ones. We'll do that here really quickly. It's going to be C drive, user, your actual user. So this is going to be different. Mine is extrmwill. We're in .chia. Mainnet's the only option. And then we're going to the config file. So this is C drive, which is your PC or Windows. C drive, user, chia, mainnet, config. And all I'm going to do, I'm just going to delete the second file. I don't know what happens right now with having both of them in here, but I'm going to go to just this because this is going to tell it then to pay me. So that's what we need to do. So hopefully that's useful. I reset everything, so it created the new config file. You might have to rename the other file. What you would do is just come in here and rename, and you just need it to say config.yaml, and then you should be good, I believe. So if I find out anything else, I'll let you guys know, but I believe that's all you really need to do. Alright, thanks. Bye.